top 5 cities for vacation is because it could be the ultimate pizza party, which is now happening at the Las Vegas Convention Center.
All right, Jillian is live from the International Pizza Expo. That's a lucky draw right there, Jillian. I like that.
Hi, you guys. Yes, I am very lucky. We are talking pizza, one of my favorite foods of all time. I think a lot of people can agree on that. We're at the International Pizza Expo. People from all over the country, the world, are here to celebrate pizza. So we are here for it. I'm joined by Stefano. Thank you so much for having us. Tell us a little bit about your brand and what you guys do here at the Expo.
So we specialize in gluten-free pizzas, frozen pizzas in the food service business. We're based out of Montreal. It's a family business. We come from Naples in Italy, and that's our specialty. So everything we do is hand-stretched, stone-baked. Our pizza crusts are all plant-based and GMO-free, vegan, and there's 0 eggs or 0 cheese inside the crust. Now you could make this vegan, or you could add cheese and make it the way you like. This is the actual crust, par-baked before the cooking process.
Wow.
And chef, we're ready right here.
Yes, this is a family affair. We got everyone behind the counter here.
We got my 2 uncles and my father, and they're gonna start. So this is the famous crust, our award-winning crust. We're gonna start. We're gonna do in bianco or in rosso. In rosso, go ahead.
Or in bianco.
Rosso.
Bianco. Okay, rosso. Tell us
Rosso
what that
means
means.
red. Rosso means with red tomato sauce.
Red tomato sauce. And as he's making that, it's amazing how far pizza crust has come. Now there are so many different options, vegan, gluten-free, and it all tastes delicious, right?
Yes. So before, the gluten-free crusts were hard to find, and the ones that were made were a little bit like a cracker, like a biscuit, and we changed that up. Our crusts are very close to the real thing. So when you bite into this, you'll feel that it's soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. So that's what sets us apart from the competition. And you're going to get a chance to try it. You got to taste it to believe it. But
hey, I believe it. You're selling me on it already.
Just by looking at it, you can see the air pockets. And on a gluten-free pizza, very hard to get that kind of texture going on.
Yeah, so, it looks like the real deal. And
exactly.
we're making it right in front of our eyes here.
Explain to us a little bit about what you're doing here.
We have just about 15 seconds, so tell me about your pizza really quickly.
This is the classical Napoletana gluten-free pizza crust. So a little bit of tomato on top. We call it macchiato. Okay, so we macchiare la pizza with a little bit of tomato sauce. And then we're going to put Parmigiano.
No, I like that.
On top.
Will you let me top it off a little bit? Can I jump in there? I gotta do it.
Basilico,
Oh, I'm getting ahead of myself. The basilico.
The herb of life. Did you know that?
No, I did not. The herb of life.
So basilico gives a perfume. So this is the herb of life.
Well, this looks delicious. We got to wrap it up here, but you guys, this looks amazing. And well, and what I love about the Pizza Expo is there's so much to experience and try. And again, gluten-free, vegan, all the trends are here. So I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. They're tossing pizza dough. We're doing games. We got the final product here. So I may never come back. I'll send it back to you in the studio for now. We're going to eat it.
So this is in your bowl?
I'm ready to rock and roll.
Wonderful show. We got a lot of good feedback. People really appreciate what we do, especially in the gluten-free world. There's no crust like this on the market, and they just love it, and they're super happy that there's something new for them to have now. Instead of cardboard pizza, they're gonna have something authentic, real, and it was a great experience. The best part of the show was really the feedback from the people and all our customers. We get to meet the actual pizzeria guys, the pizzaioli, the restaurateurs, and having that connection directly to the people that are actually serving these pizzas. That's what's really satisfying versus the other shows where we're talking really with buyers and brokers. This is like direct contact with the people that serve our customers. The new item that we showed the last 3 days at the show is our new Neapolitan-style gluten-free crust, which is hand-stretched, stone-baked. It's GMO-free, and it's also vegan. And that's what we showed, and the feedback was phenomenal. The people really liked it, and looking forward to bringing this to the United States. Well, like I said before, this is a family-run business. There's me, my uncles, my wife, everybody, my cousins. So working together, sometimes it's challenging, but at the end result, we're really happy to work together, and this was a great experience, and I can't wait to come back. The Pizza Expo, for us, it's the number one, because it's focused on exactly what we're all about, pizza. It's in our blood, and it's my life. I eat, drink, and sleep pizza. I even dream about them at night. I have nightmares too. The Oggi Foods will definitely be here in 2024. Looking forward to it, and next year we'll be competing, and we're gonna go win that championship of the best gluten-free pizza.